Hello friends, welcome to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we will discuss 3 job opportunities from Wipro and 1 from Accenture. In this video, we will discuss about the qualification required for this job opportunity, the CTC they are providing, roles and responsibilities, and how one can apply for this job opportunity. So without further delay, let us discuss about the job opportunity. First, we will discuss the job opportunity from Accenture. So Accenture is hiring for the candidate who have completed their BE, BTech in 2020 or 21 graduate. If you are a BSc, BCA, BCom, BBA or BA candidate, then also you can apply. First we will see the BA and BTech candidate. The job role for BE BTech candidates is Associate Software Engineer. Let us see the job description. In this they have mentioned that the candidate must be able to design, build, test, assemble, support and configure application using business requirement. Understand businesses drives that will impact performance and deliver software to those expectations. Bake technology trade into solution, participate in the development of automation solution, new functionality and technologies and integrate them in existing solution. Responsible for incident resolution and support extended to customer through voice interaction, email, chat, remote support. The candidate who wish to apply for this job opportunity must possess the following skill sets. The candidate must have ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility, multidisciplinary and versatile, with aptitude to learn and apply new skill faster. He or she must possess good analytical and problem solving skills and proficient in verbal and communication skill. Deliver code to time and quality expectation and participate in peer reviews. Take ownership of the successful implementation of the solution. Support infrastructure operations and or manage delivery for IT production system and services. Flexibility to relocate project development to any part of India and work in 24/7 shift basis business requirement. They have mentioned the preferred skills. Before applying for this job opportunity, you go through the job description. Let us see how one can apply for this job opportunity. Here you have to fill your personal details. In this you have to fill your gender, first name, middle name, last name, your email ID, mobile number, WhatsApp consent, date of birth. And in education details you have to fill your highest education profile, your total professional experience, and you have to answer some questions. You have to enter your primary skill, secondary skill, where if you done any course in language course, then you have to fill your certificate here. After filling, you have to prefer your job location and attach your CV, passport size photograph, college ID. In this way you can fill the application form. Let us see the second job opportunity. This is from a Wipro and it is for Associate YT. The location is Hyderabad, India. Let us see the job description. Any graduate can apply for this job opportunity. In job description, they have mentioned that basic written and verbal communication skills in English. The candidate must have basic communication skill with a proactive and positive approach to tasks. Emotionally strong in nature, should be able to withstand inappropriate content with maturity and professionalism. Strong work ethic and ability to work with minimal supervision. Personal experience using internet websites and social communication tools should be able to follow policies and procedures diligently as prescribed by the businesses. Excellent comprehension and speaking skill. Only fresher and graduate are eligible to apply for this job opportunity. Let us see the second job opportunity from Wipro. This is for Work Integrated Learning Program. The education qualification for this job opportunity: 10th standard pass, 12th pass, graduation 60% or 6 CGPA and above as applicable by the university guidelines. Year of passing should be 2020, 21 and 22. Qualification required is Bachelor of Computer Application, Bachelor of Science, eligible stream Computer Science, Information Technology, Mathematics, Statistics, Electronics and Physics. Designation is Scholar Trainee. Stipend details. First year stipend is 15,000 plus 488 ECI plus joining bonus of 75k. Second year stipend is 17,000 rupees plus 533 ESI. Third year is 19,000 plus 618 ESI. Fourth stipend is 23,000. Merge bonuses for the first 3 years post completion of the MTech degree. So, during the job, you complete your MTech degree and you get a monthly stipend. Post the completion of the program, designation will be Senior Project Engineer and compensation will ranges from 6 lakh per annum onward depending on the performance. Other benefit: MTech degree fully sponsored by Wipro. Group life insurance of 14 lakh per annum. Group personal accidental cover of 12 lakh per annum. So there are many benefits from Wipro. Service agreement. On joining, candidate would be required to sign a service agreement for 60 months. Let us see the additional criteria required for this job opportunity. Mandatory to have studied core mathematics as one subject in graduation. Business math and applied math will not be considered as core mathematics in graduation. Maximum of 3-year education gap, if any, is allowed between 10th and graduation. No gap are allowed in graduation. Graduation should be completed within 3 years. Education should be regular, full-time, only in 10th and 12th, and graduation recognized by a central state government of India. Maximum of 1 active backlog till the interview stage. Offer will be meted out subject to all backlog clearness. Should be an Indian citizen or should hold a PIO or OCI card in the event of holding a passport of any other country. Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to be submit their citizenship certificate. Candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months are not eligible. If you are eligible for this job opportunity, then they given the online assessment detail appended for your reference. Online assessment is for 80 minutes. Then you have aptitude test which include verbal, analytical, quantitative. Each section has 20 minutes and 20 questions. Third session is written communication test is for 20 minutes. Upon selection in the online assessment, candidate will be required to go through business discussion round. In this way, you can apply for this job. Let us see the third job opportunity from Wipro. This is for production specialist. The location is Hyderabad, India. Let us see the job description. Basic written and verbal communication skill in English. Basic communication skill will be a proactive and positive approach to task. Emotionally strong in nature. They have provided a list of job description. Before applying for this job, you go through the job description. Lastly, we will discuss how one can apply for the job opportunities from Wipro. In this, you have to fill your email ID, Then enter your information, first name, middle name, phone number, address, and after filling you have to fill your education details. In this you have to fill your degree, college, branch, percentage, country, state, city, nationality. If you have work experience, then you have to fill here your employer, city, country, state, job title, start date, end date, description, reason for leaving. In this way, you fill your application form for the job opportunities. After filling, you have to submit your profile. I will provide the link in the description box so that you can apply for this job opportunity. Thank you.